Thomas Partey, the former Arsenal midfielder, has been charged with rape. That's right, charged with rape. But his story is not old. It may be new coming out now because he's being charged. But Arsenal fans, football fans have known this for 2 years. I'm Ty Knight here for TK24 Sports. If you're new to the show, like, subscribe, turn notification on. Please watch the entire show to get my minutes up. We hit the subscribers yesterday. Thank you for your help. Let's go. So Thomas Partey has been charged now with 5 counts of rape, 1 sexual assault, and he's going to be getting his court case heard in August. So Thomas Partey has come out, and of course, he has denied these charges. Arsenal Football Club have known about these charges for years. Now I'm talking years, and it's funny that Arsenal were the ones protecting Thomas Partey. Of course, that's their investment while he was under contract. Arsenal seemingly couldn't reach a contract agreement this season, for this coming season. He's out of contract, which was on the 30th of June. That's when he left Arsenal. But Arsenal are always protecting Thomas Partey in this case. It sounds wrong, but it's true. And this leads to me thinking, and it's just thinking, was Thomas Partey ever injured in the last 2 seasons? Because there was games where he was just missing, but was he missing because he was dealing with the allegations of him doing these things? Now, again, the reason why I say the allegations is because he hasn't been proven yet. He's just been charged. That is it. But the moment Arsenal released him, didn't renew his contract, he gets hit with these charges. And again, there were reports, I think it was last year, that a player from North London has been charged with rape. Not even charged, he's just been arrested, then put on bail. But no names were ever linked to it leaked within the papers or on media. But people just suspected it was Thomas Partey. It was just, okay, it's Thomas Partey, but he just never said the name because it never came out. And now it's come out that he's been charged. This is just breaking news. It leads me to think that Arsenal knew that this was coming. They couldn't protect him anymore. And then even it says that they couldn't reach an agreement, I think Arsenal done everything in their power not to reach an agreement with Thomas Partey. And maybe Thomas Partey didn't think that he was going to get charged anytime soon, because if he did, he would have signed a new contract with Arsenal, and Arsenal were protecting him with the mighty lawyers that they had, hence why he was never charged at that time. That's again, that is just my thoughts. Call me crazy, call it what it is. I've got nothing against Arsenal. I'm just saying Arsenal were only protecting their investment at that time. Now, Arsenal don't have that investment. He gets charged right away. Now, what does it mean for Thomas Partey? In this one instance, it's going to be quite hard for him to salvage his career back in football. If he gets charged with rape, he's going at least what? Could be 3 to 5 years. It could be down to 10. It could be 15. You just don't know. But it's many counts, and it's an assault on it as well. But nothing's going to be said until August. So all it's going to be is just talk, talk, talk. But once your name is with the allegation against you, you're kind of tarnished, especially for a man. You're tarnished. And Thomas Partey, well, good luck to you. If you've done it, you got to do your time. But I say good luck because if you're innocent, it is what it, oh my God, I can't say it is what it is. You just have to say it's innocent until proven guilty. And that's all we can go with right now. That's all I can go with right now. You try and say a few words here and there, but at the same time, you don't even defend someone, or you're just literally defending for the point of making a content, which is not what I'm here to do. I'm just here to report the news that just broke. Again, Ben Jacobs, Sky Sports, every news outlet in the world have just come out with this story. It just went wild. I had my phone, I was at the sports day, my phone was just pinging off. My best friend messages me, my wife messages me, my sister messages me, my brother messages me, go, Thomas Partey, Thomas Partey, Thomas Partey. And I'm just like, yo, this story is 2 years old, but he's just been charged now. When you think of it, Arsenal had him under contract protecting their asset. Now he's no longer under Arsenal's protection. He gets charged right away. And maybe Arsenal knew this was going to happen. They knew at this moment in time, if they renew his contract for another 2 years, this is something that they're going to have to continually fight against. If they had Thomas Partey under contract for 2 years, can you imagine the scrutiny that comes under Arsenal? They have a football player charged with rape. No way Arsenal were going to have that. So I think Arsenal done everything in their power not to really and truly renew this contract under Thomas Partey because they knew already what they were dealing with. And seemingly, Thomas Partey had an injury-free season, and I think maybe he was just doing his bit to try and stay at Arsenal to get that protection. But he doesn't have the protection now, and now he's charged. Let's just see if he's going to go down for the crime he's being charged with. But that's it. I'm Ty Knight here for TK24 Sports. Like, subscribe, turn that notification on. Thanks for watching. In the next show, we'll talk about football. We'll get back to football. But for now, Thomas Partey has been charged for rape.